1988 Topps Cello Pack Box. Picked this up off of eBay, and surprisingly, it came with a mixture of 88 and 89 Topps Cello Packs. Today, we're going to do two videos. We're going to do a video of an 87 and an 88, and then a second video of the same. I put a couple of 87s in here, and it looks like maybe this is the bottom row, and there aren't any more 89s, so no more 89 cello packs. So we've got two 87s and a bunch of 88s. All right, let's go ahead and start. This is going to be video 1 of 2, packs 1 and 2. Let's start with 1987 Topps 31 card cello pack, 69 cents, and a piece of gum. You do not get any glossy cards in the cello packs. You get the glossy rookie cards in the super jumbo packs, and we open those in my videos, and you also get glossy all-star cards in the rack packs, which we also do in those videos. Cards look a little bit on the bent side, but we should be okay. Here's the gum. Gum's looking fine. Actually, cards aren't looking too bad. This Corey Snyder, we're going to take this one out. Got a little bit of a nick here, and just a minor little bit of gum residue. We're going to go ahead and toss that Corey Snyder card out. This Spring Fever baseball card actually looks good for being next to the gum. Again, these cards are a little bit bent like this, but it shouldn't be much to get them straight. Otherwise, these corners look good. That Corey Snyder's the only one that had the nick in it. All right, y'all. Let's see what we can find. Got Dave Dravecki, Kevin Romine, Tony Pena, Bob Forsch, Jack Howell, Dave Gumpert, George Brett, very nice, and I believe he's going to be a 100 card. Yep, card number 400. And that means he's on my list, so that means he made the Hall of Fame in 1999, and that card is worth 60 cents. So good deal on that. Put George Brett's card up there. We've got Rich Goose Gossage, Doug Trebek, Jose Uribe, Rob Murphy, Denny Walling, Dan Pasqua, Bob Shirley, Jim Rice. What a phenomenal player Jim was. Card number 480. We'll put him up there. Ken Oberkfell, Domingo Ramos, Dwayne Ward, the Toronto Blue Jays leaders with, looks like George Bell in the picture. I'm not sure who the other one is. There's Dave Winfield, phenomenal player he was, card number 770, we'll put him up there. Bud Black, Billy Bean, Pete Ladd, Buddy Bell, the Boston Red Sox leaders with, I believe that's Joe McNamara as the manager. Bobby Bonilla, this is going to be his rookie card. It's going to be worth 40 cents for Bobby Bo. Good deal on that. Jim DeShays, All-Star American League of Jim Rice. We picked up his base card and his All-Star card. Very nice. Dennis Eckersley, what a phenomenal player he was. Card number 459, great pitcher. We'll put him up there. And finally, Chris Bosio. So on that pack, we picked up Jim Rice's All-Star and his base card. Picked up Bobby Bowe's rookie card, and then we've got George Brett, his 100 card, number 400, worth 60 cents. Over here, picked up Dennis Eckersley for the Cubs. That was before he made it to the Athletics. And Dave Winfield. And we had to toss out Corey Snyder's Topps All-Star Rookie Gold Cup card due to a little bit of damage. All right, good deal. 1988 Topps Cello Pack. This time it's still 69 cents. You can get 28 cards and a stick of gum. Let's get into this one and see what we got. Corners look good. Cards have a slight bend to them, but nothing to write home about. Gum is looking all right. Got some gum sweat on the back of Larry Sheets, so he's going to have to go. And it looks like we're okay on the collector's edition card there. Very good. Picked up Jose Guzman, Tom Nito, Manny Trio, Jack Morris, Jeff Montgomery, Mitch Webster, Claudel Washington, Mike Hart, Rick Shue, Willie Randolph, Jack Clark. It's going to be a 100 card, number 100. Which means he's going to be on our list, and there he is. Going to be worth 10 cents for Jack Clark. Good deal on that. Put him up there as a 100 card. We got Gary Thurman, Kent Tekulve, Darrell Evans, Jeff Russell, Larry Herndon, Wes Gardner, Ron Robinson, Frank Viola. Very nice, phenomenal pitcher he was. We'll put him up there as well. Paul Noche, Mike Easler, Wally Ritchie, Ken Williams, Mark Ciardi, Ken Phelps. Nice, there we go. Nolan Ryan. Going to be card number 250. I know we left that front and center spot for somebody. And finally, Dave Dravecki. So picked up a bunch of decent cards there. Got Frank Viola, phenomenal pitcher. Picked up Jack Clark, phenomenal player, and he was card number 100 in the 88 Topps set. And finally, this gentleman here, Nolan Ryan. That's an awesome card, number 250. We'll take it. We had to toss out the Larry Sheets due to some gum staining on the back. All right, folks, there you have it. Videos 1 of 2. Packs 1 and 2. 1987 Topps 31 card cello pack, and then a 1988 Topps 28 card cello pack. Stay tuned for video 2 of 2. We'll open one more of each. Stay safe.